Hello guys! Mega love shout out. Ayan, kakaiba ang video natin ngayon dahil dito po kami sa isang bazaar. Tapos nakalimutan kong kumuha ng videos guys. Pasensya na. Ayun, so ito na lang yung natira natin. So, pauwi na kami. So ito ang area ng aming pinagbibintahan ngayon, ng bazaar. So gabi na, huli ang ating video. So mula doon ayan, Opisina Comercio de las Filipinas. Ayan po ang aming boat mula dito hanggang doon, hanggang dito. So doon sa dulo is ang Pilipinas, is doon sa dulo, and the embassy. So this is all Asian, selling food and handcraft. And now we're going home, at ito na lang ang natira. Ayun, so uwi na tayo dahil wala nang oras. Anak ko, all that left. This is yours?
Yes.
So, maganda yung area guys. And of course today is maraming tao kasi talagang maraming tao ngayon dahil Asian po to, Asian Bazaar. And saka napakaganda ng area. So dito yung stage kung saan nagpe-perform ang lahat ng mga Asian representative ng activity. Oh, daming share kasi meron kasi silang raffle today. So ubos na ubos po ang food ng Masarap Team. It's from Thailand.
Horizontal.
Ayun. Is a sim art kasi to guys, kaya medyo maganda ang area. Ubos talaga ang aking mga niloto. Kung manatira man, akin na yun. Pero usually ubos lahat. Yun. Pagod na pagod ang aking partner sa buhay. Saka sobrang init ng araw. Kailangan ko na talagang umuwi dahil gusto ko nang pumunta ng toilet. Ito yung lahat naming gamit sa
Jacket.
one of the bag.
What?
Pangita adira. Yan, makakasamahan natin sa Asia, sa bazaar. They're selling food also. Yeah. maghihintay tayo sa ating sasakyan dahil maraming sasakyan na papasok. Salud! Pagod na ako guys. Grabe ang sakit ng aking kapaahan. Yung iba, ano pa lang, papalabas pa lang sila. Yan, naghahakot ng kanilang mga kagamitan. So, yun. Sipag talaga ng mga Pilipino. Pero hindi po yan lahat Pilipino ha. Ay, grabe siya. Mga iba-ibang lahi. Pagod man, pero worth it naman ang pagod today dahil naubos ang aking food. Lahat ng mga niluto ko. Ayan, walang natira. Kung man natira, sauce na lang yung natira. So, yun yung kakainin natin. Daming gamit. Gamit ko yan lahat. Kailangan talaga pag sumali ka sa mga ganito, handang-handa ka sa labanan. Dahil pag hindi ka handa sa labanan, maiwan ka sa ere. Yan, kaya sinasabi nila, grabe si Mera. Ayaw magpahinga. Eh, ganun talaga ang buhay. Huwag lang akong hahamunin dahil hindi ko po talaga sila aatrasan. Pag kusina ang pag-uusapan, hindi naman ako magaling magluto dahil hindi naman ako chef, pero all people likes my food, so I got what I call this, parang na-inspired ako pag sinasabi nila na sarap ng food mo. Ayun. Pwede ba kaming mag-order? At paano kami mag-order? Ganun. Hindi sila nagsasawa sa aking food. Kaya I get inspired to cook more food for them to try our Filipino dish. So, ganun talaga. So, since then, I aim that one day we will have our Pinoy kainan dito sa Mexico City. Parang robot yan ah. Hindi ko napansin. Parang robot nga. Today, I was disappointed dahil the embassy was with us also. They're cooking their food also for sale. And I was disappointed dahil hindi po sila nagluto ng pansit. Yun yung best seller ko, pansit. Kaya lang, hindi sila nagluto. Hi, beautiful! How are you?
Fine.
You're good? How you doing?
Fine. Very tired.
Who was that?
Michael.
The Vietnam man.
That's all your stuff?
Yes, this is all our stuff. Isn't that a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more.
have a car, right?
Yeah, we do. We have a small car as usual. Yan.
I gotta look for my auntie because I haven't seen
Where is he?
her. I don't know.
Where
My mom is there, but I don't know where's my auntie. I'll
Huh?
go check on her.
Where's she parked? Look for her. This is my son. He was buying the hat. Show me the hat. Your Vietnamese hat. Wear it. How was it? Do you like it? What? Do you have plan to? No.
Auntie Cara gave me.
Why?
I don't know. I tell him no. But he forced me.
Really?
Not that one.
Well, good for you. Kasamahan ko si si barbecue girl. Ayan. So yun na nga guys. I was disappointed dahil ang embassy ay hindi po sila nagluto ng pancit. Supposed to be I'm going to do that, but they insist that they're going to do, but at the end they didn't do anything for it. And that's my best seller. Ang ganda nito ah. Okay. The hat of Vietnamese. Pero madilim na. Ayun guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood ng aking napakawalang kwentang video ngayon dahil hindi po natin nakuna ng buong pangyayari sa araw na ito. Dahil wala po ako talaga akong time na umikot-ikot dahil sa sobrang busy talagang hindi mawawalan ang tao ng aking ng aking lamisa or ang aking boat. Hindi talaga mawalan ng tao kaya wala akong time na gumawa ng video. So itong video na to is panghuli na talaga at the end na talaga. So okay lang, at least you know the updates of what I'm doing here in Mexico City. So thank you so much guys, and I would like to say thank you to my people around that they're always watching my videos, and then, lalo na sa aking mga supporters, maraming salamat. Sana po hindi po kayo magsawa at subaybayan nyo pa po ang ating mga upcoming videos pa. So thank you so much guys. Ang inyong lingkod, walang iba kundi si Meryl J ng Mexico City. Adios amigos. See you around. Enjoy in Whitey World. Bawal ma-stress. Bye!